Hello, I'm writer Greg, and welcome to the Thought of the Stream. Today's thought comes to us from Edwidge Danticat, courtesy of Writers Right, co.za. When you write, it's like braiding your hair, taking a handful of coarse, unruly strands and attempting to bring them to unity. As a father of, let's see, four daughters with varying lengths of hair, I've had my opportunity to braid hair. And as well, you can tell, I don't have much personal experience braiding hair, but I do a really, I think, fair job. I'm an okay hair braider. They look presentable enough for church and school. So it's an interesting experience. I grew up with mostly brothers, and it's a brand new experience, as is writing. It is a really new thing for some of us to take all of those plot threads, to take all of those characters, locations, points of view, and then throw on a heaping helping of grammar and structure and all of the other things that we need to learn about as we make order out of the chaos. And that's what we do as writers. And it can be done, it can be learned. It is a skill, not a gift. It is work with wonderful results, not some bestowal from some ethereal power. We can learn to write. We can learn to write together. And that's my thought of the day. I hope it finds you well, and I hope that you will join us and other writers who know are struggling to braid the hair of our proverbial novels and do what we can to bring order to chaos. And we do that every morning, Monday through Saturday, 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and midday on YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So there you go. Please join us as we work on this. And thank you so much. Have a great day and keep on writing.